Today, we will show you how to properly install your quick-release bike on a Tacx Trainer. You will need your quick-release bike, a Tacx direct drive trainer, and the Tacx quick-release skewer. To begin, shift your bike to the smallest chainring in the front of your bike. Then, shift your bike to the smallest chainring in the back of your bike. Next, remove your rear wheel. Pull back on the lever to loosen your quick-release skewer. This will allow the rear wheel to be removed. Now you are ready to install the bike. Carefully align the rear dropouts on your bike with the block caps on your trainer. Again, make sure the bike chain is over the smallest chainring in the back of your bike. It is now time to install your quick-release skewer onto your bike. When the quick-release lever is in the open position, the word "open" will face outward. When the quick-release lever is in the closed position, the word "closed" will face outward. The closed position will ensure that your bike stays locked into your trainer. Unscrew the quick-release end cap to remove it. Then, remove the spring. Slide the exposed end of the skewer into the trainer axle from the non-drive side of your bike. With your Tacx quick release in the open position, reinstall the spring and screw on the quick release end cap until you feel tension on the quick release lever. This should be at the halfway point. Then, raise the quick release lever up to close the Tacx quick release. Make sure the quick release skewer is snug and tight when in the closed position. It's recommended you do this before each ride. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.